Hello, good morning, happy Saturday if you are in this part of the world where it's Saturday already. I have just spent a couple of hours on my grounded yoga mat teaching yoga and meditation and stuff, but now I'm back outside because outside it's better. And this literally just got delivered, so I thought I'd better go live. Now I was not sure what it was, but then I read on here, where does it say? It says, where did I read it? It says, why can't I find it now? Grounding pad and connections. So I thought I would unbox. Got my wee scissors, hopefully I don't cut my grounding pad and connections as I go. Here we go. So this, if I made the right purchase, is a fabric grounding pad rather than the rubber one. Sorry about the noise in the neighborhood. Oops, I didn't cut that open very well at all. I'm too scared to ruin whatever's in here. How did they wrap this? Oh my gosh. Oh, here we go. Here we go. They wrapped it double. Bear with me. I know, super exciting right now. Here we go. I'm in. Ugh. So this is from Australia. This is a company that I found in Australia that has these fabric grounding pads rather than the rubber ones. Oh my gosh, so much plastic. Aha! More plastic. So much plastic. And ooh, look, that's a better cord. Now this is the type of cord I was talking about. A telephone type cord. That's super exciting. So it says complimentary coiled or straight lead included in all international orders. Ooh. Now that is much better. That is not going to get super tangled, right? And this, that's the little button that goes in the pad, and that's the thing that goes in the wall socket. But I like the old telephone coil. Alright, so we've got complimentary telephone coil. Yay, really exciting. I wanted one of those. And then we've actually got a normal one too, with the earthing adapter. So as you see, this has the two prongs so that I can actually put in two. Ooh, that's exciting. I can put in two earthing mats if I wanted to. And this goes in there, and then that goes into the wall. And as you can see, these two are not live, they're just plastic, and that should go into the ground of the wall socket. And then that will click into the mat, or this one, which is what I'll be using because it's way better than that. And it comes with, what is this? Oh, holy moly, it's like a whole thing. So it has my invoice. Let me open the thing first. Now this one's wrapped in paper. And I ordered a maroon. It's quite lovely, look at that. So there it is. It's just like a bath towel. And it has the little plug right there. And so apparently what we have, and it's from this company, Better Earthing Company. So what we have apparently in here are weaved through silver fibers, I think. I don't know. But I should be able to check it with my multimeter when I know how to use it. So we'll be able to check that. And then we have the invoice. Now, I told you that I paid like $200 for my yoga mat. I paid $110 for this, including shipping. So it better work. Otherwise it's just a glorified placemat. But I'm hoping it will be the shizzle. And then there's like a whole lot of paper here. Why is there so much paper? Right, fabric grounding mat by Better Earthing. Set up in care. Look, there's got a picture of you can put it on your seat. And it tells you how to use it, how to care for it. Made from surgical grade 316L solid stainless steel fiber. Sorry, not silver, stainless steel. 30% cotton, 30% stainless steel fiber, 35% cotton, and 35% polyester for durability. It's robust like canvas. The inner felt layer is 1 millimeter thick. Is made from German natural mineral fiber that is antimicrobial and antibacterial. 12% with 10 cal, and 86% 12% of the antimicrobial thing, tencel at 68%, and polyester 20%. Now the thing with this, as opposed to the rubber mats, is you can ground on both sides because there isn't rubber, it's just fabric and felt on the inside. What else does it have to say? The fabric's generally uniform, occasionally short lines of extra thick stainless steel threads may be visible, blah blah, blah blah blah. You can sleep on it, so for best results, position it under your hip or torso area. And it talks about earthing indoors via your PowerPoint, and it's going to tell me how to test it with my multimeter, so that's awesome. And it talks about how to use it if I travel overseas. That's cool. All of this information that came with it is really awesome. General notes. If you're new to earthing, you may feel some light tingling or warmth while using the pad. Interesting. It's a good sign that your circulation is improving. The tingling sensations will likely disappear within a few days. Well, I haven't felt any tingling with the yoga mat. This comes with a 5-year warranty. That's pretty good, and a 2-year warranty for the lead and adapter. So they are putting their money where their mouth is. So one sheet, another sheet, 3 sheets. This one is talks about the benefits that you have. So if you're new to earthing, and it talks about the tingling sensations, it's going to talk about improved sleep, feeling relaxed, heaviness. Some people notice a heavy feeling in a part of their body when they first start earthing, and it goes on. Detoxifying, reducing the conductive earthing strength. Wait, what's that? 3 ways to ease into earthing. Right, so you can like ease yourself into it if you're feeling it too intense. Seriously, I don't think that's necessary, right? I've just like been hanging out outside and it's been totally fine. And then there's another sheet which talks about the earthing benefits, and it's got a whole list here. So it says, earthing calms the nervous system. Within 4 seconds, muscles start to relax and return to normal tension. Also, within 30 to 120 minutes of earthing a day, stress reduction, pain relief, reduced inflammation, improved heart rate variability, blood flows more freely, aiding circulation because it thins the blood, supports the cardiovascular system and healthy blood pressure, and you are more positive and have a more relaxed mood. So that's cool. Earthing overnight while you sleep. So all the benefits listed above, plus you get a deeper sleep, fall asleep faster. That's what I'm really excited about. Wake up less during the night or return to sleep faster waking. Exciting too. More energy during the day, less emotional stress, reduce pain including musculoskeletal pain, gastrointestinal pain, headaches, menstrual cramps, and TMJ, so temporomandibular joint symptoms. That's when you get the tight locked jaw. Less pain interfering with sleep, effectively reduce inflammation and free radicals in the body, shorter recovery time from muscular exertion. And it goes on. So it's got a whole lot of things: diseases, allergies, Alzheimer's, asthma, arthritis, blah blah blah, whole lot of stuff. So that's already way more impressive than the package that I got when I paid twice the price, because it comes with information, and that's really what you want, right? When you're sort of getting into this, and some people will say it's hocus pocus, woo woo, bollocks, but there is some scientific data to back up the statements of earthing. Plus, all you need to do is hang out outside for a while and you'll already feel the benefits of earthing, right? I think I look better. I definitely feel better. And we're on day, I can't remember, 12, 13 today? Maybe it's day 13? I think it is day 13. So almost halfway through our 30-day journey. How exciting! Thank you for bearing with me. Once I figure out how to use the multimeter, I will give you an update tomorrow about whether or not I can detect those stainless steel threads. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for tuning in. Ciao!